Hi, welcome back. Today we're talking about seed saving. Today it's going to be about seed saving, specifically on dried flowers. So right behind me over here, you see all the asters have gone to seed. So I'm going to talk to you about several different flowers that are super easy to find the seed. So here's a snapdragon. Look at the gorgeous white. We're in November 2nd, and we're still getting flowers. Beautiful weather. So this one's about to bloom. And then it starts to get to this stage. That's a dry seed head. And these guys look like skulls. So take this and kind of crumble it, and those little tiny black, that's the seed. Here is a snapdragon seed head and all these little black seeds inside. Whoop. Those are the snapdragon seeds. Pretty tiny. This is one of the easiest things to winter sow. I love snapdragons. And you just take one of these little skulls and you would take it and put it in the jug. And I wouldn't care about anything else around it either. But this one's a little easier to tell because the black is the seed and like the brown, that is the chaff or the dried up flower head. So when you're seed saving off of flowers, sometimes the plant will look completely dead. All it's doing is putting seed at the top. So all these little dead dry flowers, there's seeds inside. So let's go look over here. So these are coreopsis. And what you kind of do is you crinkle. So I'm saving seeds for the coreopsis Mardi Gras. Yep, there's the tag. So I'm saving seeds for coreopsis Mardi Gras. So what you do is you just cut this little seed head open, and all these little black seeds are the seed. This is called chaff or chaff. See? Those are like petals that have dried, but the actual seed to grow another plant will be right there. Here's another example. This is larkspur. So it will dry, and inside, if it hasn't dropped them all, we'll have these little black kind of ball shape. It might have dropped them already. These ones are dianthus. So the flower dries, and then it makes these little black seeds. So one of the seeds is right there. But I know I have a lot more than that. There it goes. Here comes some more. One little seed there. So you have to wait for the plant to dry. Sometimes you can just let it reseed. But if you're trying to collect seeds for winter sowing jugs, so that is the seed. All the rest of this can be composted. That's the seed that you put in the winter sowing jug. Here's some asters that have gone to seed. Can you see the white ones? Those are more puffy. That's the seed in there. So these are my pink petticoat columbines. And all I do is I kind of squish and they come out. Now it's important to dry them. If it does not dry on the plant, it will not create the seed. So that's just important to know. Here is the gloriosa daisy again, and the Mardi Gras coreopsis. Fresh flower. Then it starts to dry down to more like that. See, it still has some petals. You want to wait till it's completely dried down to something like that. It looks pretty dead. And then the stalk is really dry. And then as you get in there, this one's not too bad to open up. You see the difference between the seed and the chaff. Another one that's super easy is the hollyhock. Hollyhocks are itchy, so they're not my favorite to do, but all you do, all these little black things, you pull them apart like that. These are the seed. Easy, easy. Here's a rose of Sharon. These are super easy to tell the seeds. So the flower dries off, and also this is the same with hardy hibiscus. The flower completely dries up, and then you have these weird looking spiral things. That is the seed. So we're in November. I still have a cosmos blooming. Look how pretty. That is beautiful. Huge. Look at the size of my hand. This one's about to bloom too. So what happens with cosmos is the seed, the flower has to dry up, and all the black spiky ones are the seed. See? Not hard. Seed saving can be so much fun. Just have fun with it.